Hello guys, today I have got the EDIFIER W280NB Pro and I'm going to show you how to forget them from your phone's application. At first you need to tap this gear icon in the top right corner and scroll down. Tap Bluetooth settings and either tap disconnect, because then your headphones will be disconnected and you can't manage them in your app because the application doesn't have the memory. I mean, it does have the memory, but it doesn't see your device if it's not connected. Apart from that, you can here go back and reset them to the factory settings like this. And now they are not only factory resetted, they are removed from the app. That's it. Goodbye.